Hello there, my name is Marella and welcome to my How to Do It series. This morning we're looking at Tadasana, mountain pose. Step your feet together, press down equally with the four corners of both feet into the floor. Big toe mound, inner heel, little toe mound, outer heel. Squeeze your shins in. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Engage your quads. Lift your kneecaps. Engage your core, move your lower ribs back. Stretch your spine, move your ears back. Stretch arms down, stretch fingers down. Notice your breathing. And that's how you come into mountain pose, Tadasana. If you like this video, do give me a like, a share, or even subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the mat.